Chris Angel, and I'm gonna go do some magic. This looks like a nice house. Oh, let's go in this house. Hey!
How'd you get in my house?
It doesn't matter. What are you watching? I'm Christopher Angel. I'm gonna show you some magic.
Okay.
Have I ever met you before?
No.
Alright, oh, I'm so tired. I ran here from Alaska. Hold that, please.
Why do I have to film it?
Because you're the best.
Hey, don't swim away. We'll be right back with more
Sit right there.
Sharks.
Sit right there.
Marnie is...
Hurry. Get.
What am I doing?
I'm going to make this penny disappear. Okay?
Okay.
Okay,
How'd you get in my house?
Don't get close. Hurry. See that penny?
Yep.
I'm gonna see the salt shaker.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this penny disappear. Now go back to your seat. And the mind freak. Didn't work. Alright. I'm gonna push the salt shaker through the... It's gone.
Where'd it go?
I'll show you where it went. I'll go get it. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna go get it.
Wait, where's it go? Oh, man. It's gone! Ah, it's been 2 hours. And I still can't find Christopher Angel. And he still has my salt shaker. So, I'm just gonna look for him out here. Haven't checked out here yet. Is that him? Oh, there's Christopher Angel! He has my salt shaker too. Huh? Hey, thanks. How'd you float there? What? How'd you get here? Hey, how'd you get into my house?